Fashion designing is more than just creating garments. It is an artistic expression that merges creativity, skills, and cultural heritage. Through this discipline, students of class 6, 7, 8 learn to conceptualize ideas, develop designs, and bring their creations to life using various techniques and art forms. The young designers explore traditional Indian art form like kalamkari, madhubani, varli art and floral painting, skillfully incorporating them into their designs. Props are an integral part of fashion presentation, allowing students to creatively express their understanding of proportions and design. Students of class 7 and 8 craft life-sized dress figures as their part of their curriculum. They use their knowledge of measurements and proportions to design and assemble these impressive props, applying practical skill learning during their regular classes. The young students of class 6 are introduced to the fundamentals of hand stitching, an essential skill in fashion designing. They practice basic hand stitches, long and short stitches, and apply their knowledge to create practical yet artistic items. From crafting elegant paper bags using handmade paper to design tissue paper flowers, their creations were both functional and decorative. Our fashion designing students have constantly outdone themselves, contributing to every school event with their remarkable creations. Whether it is designing props, decorating the venue, or crafting intricate garments, their work adds a unique charm and elegance to all occasions. During Bhavanotsav, they had done a unique ramp walk called Bhavans Ki Hastakala Pradarshan, which got appreciation from one and all. Under Infosys Foundation Cultural Outreach Program, a workshop is conducted for the students of fashion designing. They are introduced to the art of applying mehendi on hands. Total 350 students of fashion designing of class 6, 7, 8 participated in this henna art workshop. The origin of henna, medicinal properties, and the basics of applying henna on hands were taught to the students, giving them hands-on experience.